Hi, this is Darlene of Darlene's Junk Journals and More, and we're here today for the 5 days of Easter collab, a collab between DearJulieJulie and CaraBrandonCreations. Today is the kit share, and I have printed off every page of DearJulieJulie's kit and Cara Brandon's kit, as well as all the supplemental kits that they have put together for this collab. And I would love to share these with you and to share my thoughts of what I'm going to be creating. So let's get to it. This is DearJulieJulie's. This is her beautiful page of things that she has in her stash and things that she creates using things from her stash and papers that she makes doing eco dyeing or other types of dyeing. And so that's her page, and this is Cara Brandon's page. Cara Brandon uses Photoshop, so by combining the two we end up with some beautiful embellishments and journals and all kinds of things for our journals, and or for whatever we want to use them for. Okay, so this is day 2. This is DearJulieJulie's, and this is the mother and child feeding the rabbits, and this beautiful image of this little girl and the boy on the fence, and this little girl that is so pretty, and these other images. And then for Cara Brandon's day 2, we've got this file folder with these different sayings and these beautiful little Easter eggs. And so how these collabs work is for each day you take Cara Brandon's page and you take DearJulie's page, and you make things combining the two, not just making one thing of hers and one thing from DearJulieJulie's. You combine the two tastes, and you see what beautiful things you can make by combining the two elements from and melding the two, the old and the new. And we've done this since quite a ways back. Excuse me. This is the 5th or 6th. I'd have to go back and count that we have done together, that I've been a part of, that we've worked together on, and they're just absolutely beautiful. So this is Cara Brandon's for day 3, the bunny cards, and beautiful little girl eating something here or stirring it. Excuse me, you'll have to excuse me. I've come down with some sort of a bug, or else it's asthma and allergies. I'm not quite sure. But I woke up this morning and my throat's all froggy and my head's all clogged. So these are all images from DearJulie's that she physically has at her house. And she uses old school technology, which is how I do it too, which is cut and paste, and makes these beautiful images. And so that's her page. And then day 4, this is day 4 of Cara Brandon's. We've got all these different little images, again with the bunnies and the beautiful flowers and the French writing and all these little pieces that we can add to different little things. And then for Julie's, we've got these beautiful postcards and receipts and little elements that we can add. And this beautiful card that Julie pointed out in the program this morning is actually a Christmas card, but they're holding Easter lilies, which is kind of weird. But like she said, it looks like windy, and it definitely doesn't look Christmas to me either, unless it's Christmas in Australia, which I spent 2.5 years down there, so I did have a few Christmases down there, and it was quite different. Anyway, that is day 4. And for day 5, here's Dear Julie Julie's. This is from an actual little envelope that she has, and it's torn, so it's torn just like that. And this beautiful Easter greetings card with the chick sitting on top of the egg with a umbrella and the 4-leaf clovers. It's very pretty. And these pages are all very vibrant. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. The little pieces that we can fussy cut are absolutely beautiful. And Cara Brandon's collage page is absolutely gorgeous for this one too. And these will meld really beautiful together for making large tags or whatever you want to make with them. So that is the kits for the 5 days. So as I said before, you take the day 1 of Cara's and the day 1 of Julie's, and that's what we will be using. The dates will be listed below. They start this Friday. The kits are now available on Etsy, so you can go over and get your kits, and be sure to use the hashtag 5 days, capital E for Easter, Easter 2022, just like it is there. It will also be below in the description. And if you use that hashtag, you be added to the playlist so we can see what you're also making. Now I'm going to share the rest of the kits. Okay, just making sure I'm in frame there. This is Cara Brandon's Easter folio kit. Now she has this up in her Etsy store as well. Now I printed this off on cardstock. Now this cardstock I got from Walmart, and it's got a texture to it, and it looks absolutely gorgeous for this. I normally wouldn't use the textured cardstock, but I'd actually got it. I should say it's sold at Walmart. I didn't buy it at Walmart. I got it at a thrift store. But I know they sell it at Walmart. It's textured. I don't normally buy textured textured cardstock because I find it hard to use sometimes when you're folding it. But this is a lighter weight, and it's absolutely gorgeous for this. Makes it look like linen. So it's absolutely beautiful. And this is the second page in that kit, and it's a folio corner tuck spots, and these beautiful little images of the bunnies. And we've got a file folder there that as part of that, and then these beautiful little bunnies and springtime cottontail and blessings in these little words down below, and ones that you can also add to your kit. And this is all part of that same Easter folio. This is another page. This is, as I said, all printed on that beautiful linen paper. It's just called the textured snowflake, I think it was called. It's just a common one that's in Walmart. It's called snow something. It's just the color of snow. There's no snowflake in it. It's just the color of snow. Anyway, and this is the last page of that folio. And I printed this on just high quality Hewlett-Packard paper. And actually, no, it's not the last page. There's 2. And then you get a pink polka dot page as well. And so that is the little Easter folio kit from Cara Brandon Creations, and you can find that for sale. It's on sale right now on Cara Brandon's, and it's on sale price right now too. So grab it while it's on sale. Now this is her spring journal kit, and this is her pages and tags. First I'm going to show the pages, and then I'm going to show the tags. Okay, so this is the a carrots page. This is absolutely gorgeous. This would be beautiful in a gardening journal as well. And then the Easter eggs, beautiful florals, and then another page. And I went back and checked because I thought these were the same as the ones we got in the kit, and they're not. These are different collage pages, and a beautiful gingham. To me, spring and Easter is all about gingham, and because I always had dresses for Easter Sunday. We'd get a new dress. Easter Sunday and Christmas, we'd get a new dress, and I loved gingham, and so I often had a gingham dress. And so, and this is another collage page from that same, and then this beautiful lilac-y purple page, and another gingham. Okay, so that is the spring journal pages and tags. That is the pages part, and now I'm going to show you the tags part. This is still the same kit, but it's just what you get in the tags. And this is the pockets, and then there's an envelope and these tags. So that's Cara Brandon's. Okay, now we're going to Dear Julie Julie's. Dear Julie Julie has this kit on sale right now. I do not have all the pages of this one printed out because these are the pages that I am going to use from the kit, and I had printed them out before I even knew she was putting this one on sale. So I just printed them out. This is her Easter die kit, and you will find it also on her Etsy store. And these are just beautiful, beautiful Easter dyed pages that she's done. They print out absolutely gorgeous. They look like they've been Easter dyed, and they're all ready for you to go. You don't have to go and print off or do a whole bunch of your own dyeing to do this, especially if you're in a place where you can't do that. So that's only 5 pages of it. It's a much bigger kit than that, but I just did a few. Now this is Julie's 20-page Easter Bright and Fun Digitals 2022. And this is an absolutely gorgeous kit, and I know you'll agree with me. She previewed this one this morning too, and the colors are very vibrant. So just so you can see how beautiful these pages are. And I know the camera doesn't always do it justice, but these are absolutely gorgeous. And I printed these on a Hewlett Packard camera, and I did them on the high resolution setting, and they print out just as good a quality as you would ever buy in the store. They are just absolutely gorgeous. And these are printed on cardstock, but I will be on high quality printer paper, but I will be going back and printing some of them on cardstock because some of them I want to have for large tags, etc. These are absolutely gorgeous. Again, these are from Dear Julie Julie's own stash. She uses the images and cuts them and makes her own unique designs. You can see the background here. These backgrounds are from that Easter egg kit, that Easter egg dyeing kit that I was talking about previously. So are these. But what I'm saying is the backgrounds, not these. The backgrounds are from that. So if you want just the backgrounds, you can get just the backgrounds from the Easter egg dyeing kit. And then these ones are from are absolutely gorgeous. These are so pretty. These will make such beautiful large tags that you can do so much with, and they're so beautiful. And also to make a traveler's notebook, you know, to do all different sizes. And then these ones are absolutely beautiful for journaling on. I only printed these on one side, but I'm going to go back and print on the other side. And then she brought back the children, and I just absolutely love these children. They are so pretty. She's had them in a few different kits with different flowers and different images around them, but they look absolutely beautiful with their little hats behind them and looking down at the chicks in the often dreamland, dreaming of spring. And these pages are absolutely gorgeous. And the three little tykes here with their looking off into the distance, and I just think these turned out so lovely. She's hit it right out of the ballpark again. And so that is the end of what I have to show you today. Again, we'd love to have you join us and participate in this. And the description box below will have everything you need. There's 20 of us that are considered elves that you can go and check out what we're going to be making. Just to give you a bit of a heads up, what I'm going to be making is this folio, and I will have the link below to the lady that made this folio. Oh, what is her name? Something else studio. Anyway, I will have the link below, and she made this folio, and it was for a design team project for Caroline's craft tree, and Caroline lives just down the road about 30 kilometers from me here. So I wanted to make this, and you put these envelopes on the front, and then this part right here, you have a little journal, and you've got all these places, and I may end up even putting envelopes on the back, and it gives you lots of places, and then you just tie a closure around it, and it's a very simple journal to make. And so if you want to, before I come back on Friday, if you want to go and learn how to do this, I'm not going to be showing you how to do this because she's already put the tutorial out there, and she does a far better rendition of how to do the tutorial than I would ever do. And it's her tutorial, so I will share that. And I hope you can join us, and I look forward to this challenge, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you for all my new subscribers and all of you that have returned to see what I'm up to, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye now.